Are you ready to turn challenges into opportunities and transform your vision into success? Hi, I'm Devon Harris. Welcome to the official Keep On Pushing channel, a place where corporate leaders, event planners, and motivated individuals just like yourself come together to unlock their true potential. Here you'll find a blend of inspirational speeches, actionable teaching sessions, and exclusive behind-the-scenes insights that are designed to help you overcome obstacles and drive real results in both your personal and professional life. Whether you're seeking innovative ideas for your next corporate event, looking to book an engaging, inspirational keynote speaker who truly knows how to resonate with his audience, or simply needing that extra push to succeed, you have absolutely come to the right place. So join our community and subscribe today. Let's keep on pushing forward together. Subscribe now and be part of a movement where every challenge is a stepping stone to success. Keep on pushing.